Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Today we have got something special for you. We have got probably one of the cleanest Mk3 Cavaliers you'll ever see. Well, I'm not going to be honest, it's not actually that clean. Well, it's clean, but it's not. So I won this on an eBay auction for £1,608, and then plus £300 for shipping. Came from England with 37,000 genuine miles from new. Now, the car wasn't actually meant to have this. Yes, as you can see, I've had to replace the light. It's been hit here and hit here. Now, the problem with that was, when she was loaded onto the recovery lorry, the fella actually ran out of petrol in her, and he went to push her, and she rolled in the back of another car. Which is unfortunate, but things like that happen. So I'm just going to take you a wee tour around the car and show you how clean it actually is. It's a very fine example of a Cavalier. Now, most of you are probably asking, what is it? She's obviously a 1.8 LS petrol, but there is very minimal rust. So there isn't. Now, the only thing that annoyed me when I got this Cavalier, you can't really see because she's wet, but basically if you look down there, you can actually see it's actually isopon on that quarter, so this quarter panel will need painted and refixed, obviously. But other than that, she's actually a spot on clean car, you know. I'm very happy with it. I hope you've all had a good Christmas. Hopefully I'll get back to uploading this year. Hopefully it'll be a better year than last year anyway. But as you can see, she is a clean car. No rust around the arches, anything like that. Now, most of you are probably saying, what do you need an Cavalier for? Well, the thing is, I need something to take their shoes. If anyone lives in Northern Ireland, they know there's plenty of classic Cavalier car shows and stuff. And she will be at most of them, hopefully. Now, the plans, what we don't know yet. We're painting the two quarters and the two back doors because there's wee damages on them. Paint the front grille on the bonnet because the bonnet's wee iffy. Sunroof and all works. The aerial doesn't work. So guys, if you know anything about the aerials, leave it down in the comments. But yeah, other than that, she's a very clean example of the Cavalier. Now we'll pop the hood, as most of you guys would say. Over here we say bonnet. Well, I don't know where you're from, like, but it's pretty clean under here. She runs pretty nice, pretty smooth. Expansion battle pretty clean. In round chassis legs. Minimal rust, just not so bad. Really nice, really nice. Now, if any of you are Cavalier fans that are watching this, you know this is a pretty clean example. Now, it won't be for sale, so no one will be taxing. Other thing, is it for sale? Never be for sale. Never. We'll go in the boot here. I'll show you the inside of it. Oh, it's locked. Hold on a wee second. Show you the inside then while we're in. So look at that there. Pretty clean, other than my big dusty handprints over it. Pretty clean, like. Well, I'm well happy with it, to be honest. It's got one of them wee like a mobilizer thing, so you actually can't start her unless that's in. But there you go, there's your miles. 37,000 miles. Hi. No lights, no petrol, unfortunately. But radio doesn't work, need to get a new radio. But other than that, as you can see, very clean. Now we'll pop this out and we'll pop the hood. Or, not the hood, sorry, the boot. The hood. Oh. As you can see, very clean again. What do you see in around these pockets? Now, anyone knows Cavalier, these rust in around these like a motherfucker. Pretty dry clean there, like. Not one sign of rust. Which I'm very happy with. And then under the boot carpet, gets much better than that. Like, look at that. You've got the original foam, spur wheel, everything original there, like. I am happy with this. Hey guys, I know it's been a short video, and let's be honest, it's probably not the greatest video because I'm still new at this. It's still I'm new and still trying to find ways to record and stuff. Now, we have got an exciting project on the moment that's going to be turned into a montage. Now if any of you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, it's Rebuilds NI. I put like a wee sneak peek of paint up yesterday. Now it was bright purple. Now I'm going to give you another wee sneak peek. Though it's hard walking across here, I might fall, of what it's actually for. Now this is going to be a montage, so you actually aren't really going to see any videos bar a big montage on it. We're working flat out on it. I'm going to count. So, I see, I've got a fella working there, probably doesn't know what he's at, but that's what that colour was for there. So hopefully that'll go well in the next couple of weeks, and then we'll get wired in this and get the 2 doors painted on the quarters. Now the doors getting painted, obviously because of wee damage, like a wee damage you can see there. They can paint this line maybe on this quarter, so hopefully that'll be good. Now guys, drop down in the comments what you want to see of this car, what type of wheels. I don't know what wheels to put on her. See, I was talking about GSI turbo, or not turbo wheels, turbo alloys, you know, fan blades, but father doesn't like them, so can't really put them on. And I don't know if I'm going lower or anything. But anyway guys, hope you all had a good Christmas and a happy New Year days. Make sure you drop a like button and comment and subscribe if you haven't already, because everyone knows this is probably the cleanest Cavalier about. Peace.